Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Big Boy Tactical. Today we're going to talk about this Glock 22. It's a 40 caliber Glock. As you can see, it's empty. Action is locked to the rear. Whenever handling a weapon, always make sure that it's empty. Then just assume that it's empty. Open the action, lock it to the rear. Remove the magazine if it has one, but as you can see, this one doesn't have one, so always make sure that the weapon is safe. Treat all weapons as if they were loaded. Now going back to the Glock. It's a standard Glock 22, chamber in 40. So what we did to this Glock was we filled in the letters in white. On the other side, on top of the action, where the barrel is. The only thing we didn't fill in was the Glock. It has an American bald eagle with the letters USA. The American bald eagle has a little bit of green and white, and this Glock is called the Rugged Eagle. This was inspired by the Philadelphia Eagles, and that's why it has the Philadelphia Eagle colors: the black, the green, and the white. This here, it's a flip red laser. It doesn't have any batteries right now. But if you had the laser, if the batteries were on, you'd be able to see it. It has a standard Glock sights, glow in the dark, and everything else that was done was just a stipple. It was stipple here, the grip here. It was just stippling to enhance the grip on this Glock 40. It was also clean, and basically that was all that was done to it. Thank you. Make sure you guys come back. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we hope you enjoy the videos.